Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this Dewalt core drill. There's not a kick in it. It's doing absolutely nothing. So I've got to get into it and see what's going on. Oh, would you look at this? I think it's fairly obvious what's wrong here. So a new set of brushes and we'll be back in business. If you're looking for the spare brushes for that, it's N032702 and fits both 110 and 240 volt. Another successful repair here at the doctor's surgery. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.